How to fix Samsung audio issue on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So just swipe up. Now here to click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, scroll down to end. Click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down. You will see Bluetooth audio cords is here. So if you want to fix Bluetooth audio issue, so select from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Samsung audio issue on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.